Carlito? Yeah. You feel tired? No? You don't feel tired, Carlito? You want to go home and go straight to bed?
Yeah.
Yeah. How about you? No talking?
I'm not tired because I still want to play and I want to go home and I want to play for a little while
I think it's time to go home and go to sleep. Yeah. Are you tired? Papa?
Yeah.
Mommy.
Yes, honey?
Very tired.
And I'm not tired because I want to have snacks, I want to have fun, and I want to play for a little while.
Oh. Well, I think it's time that when we go home, we need to go to sleep, honey. It's really late.
Well, can we take a bath?
Tomorrow morning you take a bath.
Goodness.
Can we take a bath?
Honey, it's late. No bath before bedtime today. But I promise in the morning, we take a nice warm bath in the morning. How does that sound? You can have anything you want tomorrow. It's New Year's Day. Okay? Bye. Bye. Happy New Year. Good night.